Hey everyone, I picked up this Ryobi drill press I needed for the shop, and unfortunately the instructions weren't that great, so I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step assembly guide that's super quick and easy. The first thing I did was attach the shaft to the base, and then I used my number 13 socket to screw it down. Remove the black ring and the depth gauge so that you can attach the table to the shaft. Slide the worm drive into the table assembly. This will help you to move the table up and down. Once the worm drive is in, attach the handle to it using the Allen wrench provided. You can now attach the depth gauge into the hole for the table, and then slide that over the shaft, making sure the depth gauge arrow is pointing up. Attach the black O-ring onto the shaft and use your Allen wrench that's provided. Attach the table locking nut by feeding it through the non-threaded side to the threaded side. Attach the main part of the drill press. If you're satisfied with the position, lock it into place. I loosened the chuck to get the rest of that plastic off and reattached it. And finally, screw on your handles. Now to test your drill press. I followed the guidelines that Ryobi gave and went to 2200 RPMs for wood. It made nice straight clean cuts and I was really impressed with it. Now we don't have a full review on it, but it's worked out great so far and I'm pretty pleased with the product and the cost of the product. And there you have it. Your drill press is now assembled. And thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on this Ryobi drill press.